As a freelancer, automating invoicing and time tracking can save you hours of manual work every week. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up a system that does this for you. Whether you're tracking hours or generating invoices, this software can make the entire process seamless and efficient. The first step is choosing the right software. Now, there are tons of options out there, but after trying most of them, I found one that I recommend above the rest. This software combines time tracking and invoicing in a way that saves you time and minimizes mistakes. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Once you've signed up, the next thing to do is set up your project. You can create different projects for each of your clients and assign hourly rates. This allows the software to track your time automatically. Whether you're working on a new project or continuing from where you left off, the time tracking starts as soon as you begin working. No more remembering to hit the start button or manually entering hours at the end of the week. Next, automate your invoicing. With the software, you can create customizable templates that automatically pull in time tracked and expenses from your projects. The beauty of this is you don't need to manually add time or worry about making mistakes with the figures. Everything is done for you, saving you the headache of creating invoices from scratch. Set your billing cycle, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and the software will send invoices automatically at the set time. You can even set reminders for your clients to pay, making sure you never miss a payment again. The key to this system working for you is automation. The more you automate, the more time you save, which means you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about admin tasks. Time tracking and invoicing don't have to be the time sinks they often are. Before we wrap up, here's a quick revision. Pick the right software, set up your projects with hourly rates, automate time tracking, create and customize your invoices, and let the software handle your billing cycle. Finally, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This is a limited time offer for viewers of my channel, and it's a great way to see how much time this system can save you. The key takeaway? Automating invoicing and time tracking is an absolute game changer for freelancers. It reduces your workload, minimizes errors, and helps you get paid faster. If you want to make your freelancing life easier, give this system a try.